Why meal prep matters for busy lives.
Meal prep is a powerful way to eat healthier, save time, and reduce stress during the week. Planning ahead helps you avoid unhealthy last-minute choices and ensures you always have a nutritious option on hand. Even with a packed schedule, a few simple strategies can make healthy eating easy and convenient every single day.
Step 1. Plan your menu and shop smart.
Start by planning your meals for the week. Choose simple recipes with whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Make a shopping list organized by food groups to save time at the store and reduce food waste. Sticking to your list helps you avoid impulse buys and keeps meal prep efficient and budget-friendly.
Step 2. Batch cook and portion your meals.
Dedicate time to batch cook proteins, grains, and vegetables. Roasting, steaming, or grilling several portions at once makes it easy to assemble balanced meals later. Use storage containers to portion out lunches and dinners so they're ready to grab and go. This step saves hours throughout your busy week.
Step 3. Mix and match for variety.
Keep meals interesting by preparing versatile ingredients that can be mixed and matched. Cook a variety of veggies, grains, and proteins that pair well together. Change up sauces or seasonings to create new flavors without extra effort. This approach prevents boredom and helps you stick with healthy eating long-term.
Step 4. Snack smart and stay energized.
Cut up fresh fruits and vegetables or portion out nuts and yogurt into single servings. Having healthy snacks ready means you're less likely to reach for processed or sugary options during the day. Keeping nutritious snacks on hand can help maintain your energy and focus, no matter how busy your schedule.
Step 5. Store safely and reheat easily.
Store your prepared foods in airtight containers in the fridge or freezer. Label with dates for freshness. Use microwave-safe or oven-safe containers for quick reheating. Proper storage not only keeps your meals safe, but also makes it quick and easy to enjoy healthy food all week, no matter how busy you are.